Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. So stay tuned for all the new goodies. Now let's go through the basics because you already know my paper towels, which are come in very handy. 176 sheets per roll, 25% more sheets. So it doesn't have a particular brand name, but again, it does its purpose. I bought two. And you already know my strong and soft bath tissue, 2 ply, 4 rolls. Can't go wrong with a buck 25. Always good to keep in stock. My Scotties are back. 128 tissues, 2 ply. The assortment of patterns. Picked up two. And yes, these are necessary. The antibacterial liquid hand soap, original gold by Spa soap, and it is 32 fluid ounces. I had to pick up one. I already have a few in stock, but it's always good to just keep stuff in handy. Also, I'm a big fan of Scrub Buddies, the brand, and their vinyl gloves. Can't stress how important these are for just your random DIYs, or just like you can see, you can use to clean. You can clean the bathroom, the kitchen. They really are good, y'all, and it's one size fits all, so you can't go wrong. Um, Also by Scrub Buddies, they're sponges, 6 per pack. It's an unbeatable price for a buck 25. You can't find six for a buck 25 anywhere, including Target. So it was running low, picked up a pack, and that's in their cleaning section. In their dental care section, Ultra Bright anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste, and it is 6.0 ounces advanced whitening. For the size and weight, I think it's honestly worth the buck 25. They have another one that's called Sensitive, which I believe is a dupe for Sensodyne, but it was not as big as I thought. It was like 3 ounces. So although she comes cheap, and I can link her video down below, she recommends it. Hey, maybe if you can pick up two, but I just didn't think it was worth buck 25 for only 3 ounces of toothpaste. So I picked up Ultra Bright and Clean Mint. Um, and she also recommends, since I'm talking about chic on the cheap, she recommended this product, Dishes. It's just called Dishes. And it has a scent of peppermint sage dish soap with plant-derived ingredients. Um, I will say though, from what I've heard online, and how many ounces? 16 fluid ounces. It's a bit perfumey, so I'm not going to be using it necessarily to clean dishes. I think I might just spray around. I have to see the consistency. Maybe, hopefully, it's not too gel-like, but I wanted to see if I could spruce up the home with like a nice scent, because as you can see, it's peppermint and sage, or peppermint sage. So I'll give this a try, but she does recommend it. I think she uses it for other purposes as well, but I'll link the video below. Buck 25 in their dish cleaning section. And lastly, if I'm not forgetting anything, oh no, not lastly, we move into the beauty care section with Dollar Tree's gel beads eye mask. Now, I've bought gel beads before, masks before for Mother's Day, and they do kind of wear and tear. But I came across a knee kind of, what is it called? Like a knee patch or a knee kind of wrap that you can use when you're feeling aches and pains, if your bones are really aching and hurting, or, sometimes because of the joint pain, it can cause inflammation. I thought, why? But it was so expensive. It was close to $20. So I was like, why don't I just buy a few of these masks, put them in the freezer, and it works the same way, and I'm not spending almost $20 plus tax. This is a buck 25. Put it in the freezer as intended, and instead of putting it on your eyes, you can put them on your knees, and this honestly is a great dupe for, I'm sorry, it literally looked the same exact way with the exception of the two holes. But again, you can wrap it around, be creative, wrap it around your knee, and you're good. So that's what I thought when I saw it, and I said I'm gonna grab it. $1.25 in their beauty care section. This is by Be Pure, and they come in, I believe, in a purple and a nice hot pink. So, although it looks like hot pink on camera, but it's purple, I promise you. And lastly, in the decor section, yes, they're bringing back the fall. Well, yes, it's already, we're close to fall. So fall like decor. And we have this beautiful sign that I always kind of change my signs in my bathroom just to spruce it up to get into the holidays. And it says open daily, farmers market, fresh produce, apples, corn, pumpkins, and gourds, I think. That's how you pronounce. And as you can see, it just says decor. Really cute, really pretty, and I think honestly very fall like. I love stuff like this. And you already know about my Halloween. They do have soap dispensers like this that are Halloween themed, but to me they looked a little basic and really didn't pop. Like they had one that was like a skull, but it was all black and it just didn't stand out. So I just didn't think it was worth the $1.25. But if you guys like it or you can be creative with it, go for it, get it. But I opted for this. I'm gonna see if I can try to make like a nice little cute wreath. I have plenty of like that circle cylinder like wreath that I can place this bad boy on. And yeah, it's so cute. It says wreath decoration kits can fit a 14-inch wreath. As you can see, that's an example of what it could look like. Well, however you want to dress it up with ribbons and whatnot. I have a number of assortments that I can get creative with. But you know what it reminded me of? The scary mask from Scream. So if ever I get to see it, especially the latest version of it, then you already know where the influence was coming from or where my inspiration was coming from. But I thought this was darling. So pick that up. That's new in there again. Fall decoration section, school supply section, at least at my branch. But yes, y'all. Oh, and I almost forgot. I also picked up acrylic paint in this nice blue. It's not super deep. It's just like a cobalt blue, which I don't mind. And it's acrylic paint. As you can see, you can use this for a number of projects. I'm thinking about probably doing another cosplay mask. So be on the lookout for that. That's what I thought of when I saw it. And how many fluid ounces does it say? It says multi-purpose, water soluble, and I can't see. Oh, 42 fluid ounces. So it's a nice pretty blue. Anyway, I hope you like what you see. And if you like what you see, yes, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment down below. Which item here stuck out to you the most? What are you looking forward to at your local branch of the Dollar Tree? Keep us posted. Also, if you would like for me to try out any of these products on camera, should I start a Patreon? Let me know down below. And also stay tuned for my next DIY, my next haul, my next review. So please stay tuned, y'all. And until next time, XOXO, Nerdy Girl. I love Halloween. All right. Bye.